Hi guys, with another video. I'm gonna show you how we can replace the starter. This is the Jeep Grand Cherokee 1996. Before you start the job, and just take it out the cable and battery cable, negative side of the battery, and after that you start this job to do. Once again, you have to take it out the negative battery cable, and then after that you go underneath the car here, and as you see, this is the starter, and there's a one screw here, the other one behind there, right there, and this is a 14 socket, and that's the 15. And you have to prepare your tools before you start this job, and you need the one is here 8 millimeter, and one is here that I have to find out what socket I have to use. And what else you're gonna do, you will get this. What is the cable? This is the cable. You have to pull it, this cable, and then you have to then start it. All right, guys. So okay, guys, now that's the 13 right here. That's the screw is 13 millimeter. Just take it out. This is 8 millimeter, and as I said, this is 14, and the other one 15. So just take it out, everything, and and before you take it out everything, you just spray the W40 each screw, that you can easily take it out. In this started, I was trying to take it out the cable, but it's not possible to take it out the cable. There's nothing to push and pull it and take it out the cable. What's gonna happen, and together when I take this screw, and then it's gonna come out together, cable and all together, whatever is the metal here, it's gonna come together. So as I said, like, don't rush, and slowly and surely, step by step, and follow the direction. First, what you're gonna do first, take it out the negative cable from the battery. Second, spray the W40 for each screw, and you have to know what kind of socket you're gonna use. This is 14, this is the other one 15, the here is 13, and this is 8. And after that, it's so easy, and just take it out, everything. Alright, guys, let me pause and I'll take it there. So I just took away the two of them. This was 13, this was 8, and just pull this, and that's it. Somewhere right there. As you see, the both of them is gone, and now I have to take this two screw, and this is again 14 and 15 the other one. Okay guys, so guys, so I lose this screw. You have to hold it, this is very well, that it's not gonna come on top of you. Let me take it out this first. This is the one. Alright, the second, this, be careful. Very hard. Just I have to lose a little bit. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright, push like this. Push like this. Like this. Be careful that it's not gonna fall down. Hold it very well. Hold it very well. Longer one, it's under. And just pull it. Hold it and pull it. Like that. Like this. So this is it. Then the same way, just put the starter back to in same place. This is it, and just clean right there. You just clean here and there, everywhere. Then put it back together. Alright guys. Yeah, just short way to explain to you guys how you can replace this starter. Yeah, this is it. Alright guys. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.